So I'm not sure what they used. They painted over this thing when they put the tank in, but these I know are not sure if these are the right fasteners. So we're finding all different sizes. They look like just regular sheet metal screws. That may be one of the original ones. I don't know, but it's like a smorgasbord of fasteners we're finding, and you gotta basically tap the socket over the bolt head because the paint or whatever they used is just, yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Oh my gosh. Folks, this is the damnedest thing I've ever seen on a gas tank. This thing was gooped in. We had to scrape stuff out, and whoever put this tank in, I don't think this is standard practice so you just missed it. We had to put pressure on it from the bottom, and because all the screws we can see are out, but wow, I'm not sure if maybe that's normal, guys. Ford buddies, y'all let me know, but I've never seen one like that. I've never done a tank on one of these. So my GMs and my Chryslers, they have a strap, but something's telling me there may be a screw here, so we're gonna back off. I mean, they literally, my sockets, it wouldn't even come off my sockets. I have no idea what this stuff is, so we're about to get it out and show everybody. Woo! That was a booger. I've never taken one of these out on a Mustang, but Barry said the tank was replaced. I believe him. But what the hell? What is this? Man, we had to play Where's Waldo and take our chip, and I had to measure where we thought the screws were going to be. And the screws were rusty, and they're just sheet metal screws. I don't know. We're going to make sure we got good fasteners as we go back in with this thing, but this thing was crusty. The inside of the tank I'll look and see, but again, it's just, I don't know if this was all necessary for this stuff for it to be glued in, basically. This is not like glue, this is like tar. So anyway, tank is out.